Hey everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. In this video, I'm going to be doing a braided style. So not twists like usual, which is my first love, but I'm gonna do something a little different. So I actually did this style kind of randomly one night. I just wanted to, put my hair away and have it in a protective style for a bit. So I just did it and it ended up looking really good. And I shared it on Instagram and some people said that they would like a tutorial. So I said, let me give the people what they want. So I'm going to try and film it. And I feel like I give this disclaimer every time I do a braided hairstyle or braid tutorial. Braiding is not my thing, like at all. Flat twists, no problem. Two-strand twists, fine. Braids, I don't know. My fingers and my brain just cannot connect. They don't know what they're doing. So it might look weird. That's okay. Just like, look at what I'm doing, but then take it with a grain of salt. If you know how to braid, just braid how you always braid and just follow like the style, how I'm doing it. Hopefully that makes sense. Anyway, I'm going to start. Now, one thing, because I'm not a very good braider and I'm not comfortable with it, I like to braid on like stretched hair. So my hair is not super, coily and dense and as hard to manipulate. So this is a braid out. It actually looks pretty good still. I took it out yesterday and I had the braids in for about just over a week. So this is a braid out. So my hair stretched. Last time I did this on a twist out and it worked just fine. So I'm hoping I get the same results. You're going to need a few things. So I'm using a comb with a very sharp end because I'm going to be trying to get some nice, clean, precise parts. You will need a bit of water because that makes it easier to manipulate and braid your hair, at least for myself. Hair elastics, of course, to separate your hair. I'm using also a few alligator clips to clip my hair out of the way, and a styling product of your choice. You can use a gel, you can use a butter or something in between. I am using this because I want to finish it and I don't have very much left. So I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Last time I used a gel, a light gel, just so I could get a bit of hold, but whatever you're comfortable with. The styling product in this case doesn't really make a huge difference, but you probably do want something with a little bit of hold, and if your hair is not moisturized, then you can go ahead and moisturize your hair first. So let's start. I think I actually did do a tutorial like this maybe, I want to say maybe 3 years ago or so. But the thing is, so I don't particularly like my hairline. So if you could see, it kind of comes back a little bit and it's not super thick. And it's always been that way, like since I was a little kid. It has these like dips. So if I try and do just regular braids on the side, it looks kind of weird and like really scant in some areas. So I decided to do the braids a little bit differently to kind of work with the natural shape and like line of my hairline. So that being said, I don't think I needed that much preamble, but let's get started and do the style. Yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so the first section we're gonna do, we're just doing pretty much 2 cornrows in the front and then 2 big chunky cornrows in the back. And I already had a part of my hair from my braid out, so I'm gonna leave that as is. So this side, I'm going to kind of follow my hairline. Yeah, see? And I'm going to stop like right around my ear. So I actually want it a little bit closer up. And then for the next bit, same idea. So I'm working with my hairline and then, oh my gosh, guys, part straight. Don't do as I do. It's so hard. Okay, so that's one side. So you can see rather than just doing one down, I'm doing one up here, and then another braid's gonna be down there. So I'm just gonna clip both of those out of the way so I can part the other side as well. Okay, so you have these two done. Let's clip it away. I look like Pippi Longstocking. Okay, so that is the completed style. I kind of rushed it because I didn't feel like taking my time, but essentially I've done everything you need to do. Yeah. So it's actually really a quick, easy style. I like it because all my hair is nice and compact and it's all tucked away. So this is like definitely a protective style. The one thing I would say, if you're doing it, definitely work on stretched hair. I find that helps a lot. Otherwise, I don't know, it could just be how I braid, but I find that my fingers just have a hard time like holding all the hair together. So stretched hair is a plus. And of course, if you want to go in afterwards and do the edges, you could do that. I'm not gonna do that today. I'm just chilling at home anyway. But yeah, so that is this easy braided crown hairstyle. Let me know what you think. If you've tried it, let me know. I would love to see pictures. If you post them on Instagram, you can always tag me. And yeah, so that's it. Thanks for watching. And if there's any other hairstyles, because you know, we're at home still, I have a bit more time to do my hair in the evenings because I'm not commuting home from work. So let me know what kind of styles you'd like to see and I can work on those. But yeah, in the meantime, thank you so much for watching and I will talk to you next time. Bye.